Okay guys, so this is another small short video. In this one we're going to be following the sign Oswaldtwistle. The sign is on the right side. It will coming up shortly. Most will get confused. So this is a T junction controlled by the traffic light. You can turn right or left in your exam. We can see saying M65 town center, Oswaldtwistle and hospital. So we're going to the left towards Oswaldtwistle. So once you pass where the red car is, I would check my center and the left mirror, and I would signal to my left over here, and I would stop behind this car and I would give around tires and the tarmac. So make sure that you do this. It's important. You do have got a car parked on the left as well. Try to maintain 1 meter gap from the parked car as well. It's important. Always try to maintain 1 meter gap. If you feel that you can't, you can stop slightly before, so you don't want to block the oncoming traffic as well. So traffic light is red. It's controlled by the traffic light, so it will take some time before it go green. But once it goes green, we check our mirrors and we're going to move off in a minute. Okay, so the cars are moving, so I check my mirrors in case of any cyclists and any motorcyclists coming. So keep going. Now this is a very sharp turning. You can see 2 arrows painted on the road as well. So we're turning left. It's a very sharp turning, guys. Please make sure when you're turning, don't use your speed, use your gentle braking and more faster steering. You don't need to stop your car either because it's controlled by the traffic lights. So as you're moving, so fast steering back, as you can see there's a 2 lanes over there. Because we're going towards Oswaldtwistle, we need to keep our car to the right. We're going to signal right when you see there's a signboard on your right coming up. You can see town center straight ahead, also to your right. So check your mirrors and signal to the right over here. Now this is the crossroad junction controlled by the traffic light. So we have got a car already ahead, so I would stop just before the keep clear box. You shouldn't be going and blocking the keep clear road. Signal go on green, we check our mirrors, we will move. And we have got 1 car already in the box, so you can go in the box as well. Now it's important when you're turning right, please don't cut the corner. So make sure go forward slightly. You wait for the safe gap, and once this white car goes, you turn to the right, but make sure follow the left curb, please. And this is a ISA way, so always now check your mirrors and then gradually build up a speed. Remember the speed limit is 30 over here. Okay, I hope this video will help you guys to understand better. Thank you.